So we're down here at the end of the road. Right there, that road, not this one, the next one, take a left. That's the sales office. So these are the homes we were originally looking at, and then going the other route as well. As you follow the road all the way down, it comes to this roundabout here. These are coach homes across from it. The first 3 of these lots are all Calusas. You can see they're doing construction on them. I'm gonna try and sneak back here, probably past this one, and get you a quick snapshot of what they would be looking at. Okay, so this is the backyard. You can see 1, 2, and 3. They're digging pools and everything now. These are gonna be preserve. Course is over there to the left. So as I went down, they're all on this strip right here, so they're all on this same preserve. This one right here, this is the closest one to the course. The course is going to be right there. So I figured instead of just taking a bunch of videos of that same exact kind of preserve background, I might as well jump to the end here, which would be the closest one to the course. Now this is kind of cool because you have the preserve, and if you look off to the left, you'll be able to see everything right there. You can actually see them playing right now. That's going to be the lots they have right now for the Calusas.